How to create custom chat lists on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to organize your chats into custom filters on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. After that, tap on Settings. From there, tap on Lists. At this point, you will see your existing lists like Unread and Groups. Tap on New List to create your own. And the next step, give your list a name and tap on the contacts or groups you want to add to it. Following this, tap on Create once you have selected everyone you want included. Once done, your custom list will now appear as a tab at the top of your chat screen for quick access. Finally, from the same list settings page, you can also edit or delete any existing list by tapping on it and managing it from there. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you create a custom chat list, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.